For reset, in the back, you will see this arrow, small arrow. Press it for 5 seconds. Or if your lock is already locked, you will just hear this beep. Yes, so it's now reset. So next is about the management code. The default management code is 8 numbers of 8. So we have to press those numbers so the lock will be activated. It is now locked. Now you have to set the digital lock into public mode. You have to press C2, okay. Then the lock will open. So after you set the lock into public mode, we can now reset the management code from default to your own management code. So we have to press first C, then 1, okay, current management code. So let's say your new code is here. Okay, so now your management code is 14789. So now the lock is into public mode. After setting the new management code, then we can use it now to any of the codes, like any of the user. Let's say I am the new user. I will use the digital lock code on my own as, let's say, 112233. Okay, so it will lock. I will try to open it. 2233. Now it opens. So let's say the new user forget his code. Let's say the new user code is 1144. Okay, and let's say he forgets. So it's wrong, right? Let's say we are trying to forget the new code. So if in case he forgets, you have the new management code in which you can open it. So now it opens.